Hey everyone, I know it's 2025, but guess what I found? A brand new GoPro Hero 8 Black. Still sealed? Let's unbox this legend and see if it still has the action cam magic. The packaging brings back memories. Simple, compact, and clean. Inside we got the GoPro Hero 8 Black, the mount, USB-C cable, battery, and manuals. No fluff, just what you need. Holding it in 2025 still feels solid. No front screen, but this thing was a beast back in that day. Built-in mounting fingers, hyper smooth 2.0, 4K 60 frames, but not bad for 6-year-old cam. Sure, we got the Hero 13 now, but the Hero 8 is still perfect for budget creators, secondary B-roll camera, lightweight vlog setup, mount and forgot shots for time-lapse of POV. So, there it is. GoPro Hero 8 Black, brand new in 2025. Should I test this outdoor or compare it to a newer GoPro? Let me know in the comment. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effect.